Alright guys, so today we are in Tasteful and we are going to shop. Let's go. I want to do some ASMR, but they're like music, so I don't like ASMR now. Gonna choose my tongue. Where the freak is my grandma? Is that my grandma? Let me see. Yeah, that's my grandma. Oh, this dude. Oh. Anyway, we're gonna skip to my grandma. Yeah, we skip to our grandma, girl. We skip to our grandma. And flame right there. I was so much as God. I am not going that way. Let's check. Is it Drake's green juice? Use 100 green vegetable made in Japan. Yeah, I can see. This week is Japanese. One of these would be helpful. Maybe I should buy this. Maybe I should not. Maybe it tastes disgusting, so I'm not buying it. Okay. Yes. Jesus Christ. Thailand. This is my lord. What the fuck is this? Nitrogen? Ice bottle. Frozen lemon. Is this frozen? Yeah, Miss Rosa, how to drink it? I don't understand. Hong Kong people freaking out. English is so bad. Probably because they are main language of both. Even the government is bad. And my grandma living so long ago. Yeah, stuck on the tech. Oh, this is moving on to diary. Not diary. Dairy. Moving on to dairy, guys. There's so much eggs. And milk, but we already have milk at home, so we don't use it. This is the place that I'll really just check. Yeah, this is that. Right. I definitely how much? $37. $37 just for one. $40 freaking every dollar just for one of these laughing couches. Who cares? Temporary shop. These are cheap. The tasty stuff.唔係啊！我而家咧唔食芝士飯啊！我哋而家揀緊咧，我包泡媽輕嗰啲啊！我知啊，嗰啲芝士係俾我食麵包㗎。係啊，好好食㗎芝士。But it's $37
上次咪買過依個咯，你話唔係依個？
上次你買呢個啊？上次你係買第二個，上次你係買呢個。
係咪買咩啊？咩依個係嘛？
唔係啊，我要呢個。
上次咪買咗咪啱咯呢隻。
我要呢個，但係有呢個顏色，但係我呢個用嚟要Parma ham啊 ，this one。
咩Parma ham？
是但啦，係啊，買一個啦，係啊，有佢啦，你點你都會買㗎啦呢啲。
37蚊一個。$37 whole dollars just for one of these. Very expensive but very good.
係啊。
I remember there used to be a whole pack of like Peppa Pig on the show, Peppa Pig yogurt on the show, and they got this one too. I know those something. K-pop experience.
去喂，使唔使買呢啲㗎？去
好啊！
唔 係啊，
唔使啊，嗰個咩姨姨同你嗰度已經有嘢啦，唔好買啊，唔好買啦。
吓，咁我學校我想派糖啊嘛。
我話你大個唔使黐線上去山呢度啦。
There's less of the color. How much? 我睇下糖嗰度啊。
48蚊。
爺爺，我睇下糖嗰度。Let's go to Candy Lane. Let's go. For me, candy is like energy. My hand is shaking. Milk. I wish my parents would buy that. They won't. It doesn't say no. Peter. Milk is. Oops, I went to the wrong page. Yeah, this one.
買咩你？
我買糖啊！
Ya bu sepet mi? Sen böyle nereye geziyorsun? Market alışverişine çıkmış ama.
爺爺，I'm gonna look for one of my favorite candies, which is like super duper healthy, but it's at the same time just so good. Can't find it. No. 我揾緊我個歐華田啊！我個歐華田真係邊啊？
咩歐華？
平時有嗰個歐華田嘅包包，嗰啲歐華田㗎嘛，你而家冇喎。Where's it? Okay. 咁我一係買呢啲咯，買2送1。爺爺，
冇咗，冇啊！冇咗。屋企咪好多包一支支嘅糖唔愛啊？
唔係啊，唔似嘅，呢啲 high chew 嚟㗎。
冇咗，而家冇得賣啦。都係走啦。
買
唔愛啊，走！
耶！
我即刻唔買，我話唔買啦。
哎呀，最後2個呢度，可唔可以俾起碼都俾我買1個啊？我最中意呢個味道啊
10幾蚊啊，好貴啊，唔抵啊！冇食糖咁耐，唔好食啦。
所以都係咁樣嚟。So we're going to check out, and that's all I'm gonna buy. And I'll bring it here, So like, that's the end of our video. I don't want to do this for so long. So bye.